In the next 4 minutes, you're going to realize something uncomfortable. Most people are not smarter than you. They're just playing a psychological game that you don't even know exists. And the moment you understand this game, you'll start seeing manipulation, weakness, and insecurity everywhere. But here's the scary part. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. So don't skip this, because this might be the 4 minutes that completely change how you see everyone around you. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Life is not about intelligence. It's about perception. The person who controls perception controls the room. And 90% of people lose before they even speak because they don't understand three simple psychological rules. Rule number one: silence creates power. Most people talk too much. They over-explain. They over-defend. They try too hard to prove themselves. And without realizing it, they lower their value. Silence does something powerful. It creates mystery. And mystery creates respect. Think about it. The most confident person in the room is usually the calmest one. They don't rush to fill every quiet moment. They let others talk. They observe. The next time you're in a conversation, pause for 2 seconds before you respond. That small pause changes how people feel about you, because presence is power, and silence builds presence. Rule number two: people reveal their insecurities automatically. If you stay quiet and simply observe, people will tell you exactly who they are. The insecure one brags constantly. The jealous one criticizes others. The weak one tries to dominate loudly. You don't need to fight anyone. You don't need to argue. Just watch patterns. Because once you identify someone's insecurity, you understand their behavior. And when you understand behavior, you can predict it. And when you can predict people, you can outsmart them. Rule number three: emotional control is a superpower. This is where most people fail. They react instantly, they get triggered, they become defensive, they try to win every argument. But the real power move is no reaction. When you don't react emotionally, you become unpredictable. And unpredictability makes people uncomfortable. If someone insults you and you simply smile, they lose balance. Because now they don't know how to control you, and the person who controls their emotions controls the outcome. Right now, some people watching this might think this is obvious. But if it's obvious, why don't you use it every single day? Knowledge is common, execution is rare, and rare behavior creates rare results. Here's the final shift. Stop trying to impress people. Start observing them. Stop reacting emotionally. Start choosing your responses carefully. Stop filling every silence. Start owning it. The world is not dominated by the loudest person in the room. It's dominated by the most aware one. For the next 24 hours, say less. Observe more. React slower. And watch how differently people treat you. Once you master this, you won't just be in the room, you'll control it.